Hello everyone! So today I filmed this purple cut crease look for you. It's so pretty. I went a little bit out of my comfort zone with this and I really like the way it turned out. I am in love with this lid shade, you guys. The camera doesn't even do it justice. This look is perfect for a night out. If you want to wear it on Valentine's Day, if you're just one of those extra kind of girls like I am, I would wear this on Valentine's Day. You could do that. So if you like this look and you want to see how I got it, then please keep watching. Okay, so to start this video off, I am going to go in and do the eyes first. I am taking this really pretty NYX palette. It has all these beautiful bright shades in it, and I'm picking up this pink shade, and I'm going in with my Cala 315 Crease Brush, and I'm just going to start working this in as my transition shade. I have already applied my foundation and primed my eyelids and done my eyebrows just to save time. Then next I'm going in with this really light purple shade, and I'm going in on this little e.l.f. Cosmetics brush, and I'm taking this shade a little bit deeper into the crease. I'm not focusing it as high up as I did the last shade, but the less product I get on my brush, I am working the product up and blending it into the other shade. Then I'm going in with this really dark purple shade from the palette, and I'm going in on this little itty bitty e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to focus this color more in the crease, just directly into the crease. I'm not blending up or anything like that, and I am going to bring it into the inner corners just a teeny tiny little bit just to balance everything out. But I'm applying this color just into the crease, and I'm going in little by little and building it up to the depth that I want. And then once I get that depth, I am just going to go back in with the other two shades, that light purple and then the pink shade that we used. And I'm just using both of those colors to diffuse that darker purple and really make the eye look very gradient. Oops, sorry guys. Anyways, and really make this eye look very gradient and very blended out. Next, I'm going in with this little e.l.f. brush and some of that yellowy color from this color correcting palette. It's just the brightening shade. And I'm going to go ahead and carve out my crease with this. I'm not doing anything too crazy. And then I'm just making sure that I have the whole lid carved out and that this concealer shade is over the whole lid, so that the shimmery shade that we are applying after this will really stick onto it and it'll be really vibrant. And whenever I get to the end of my eye, I always just take this concealer and I'll honestly just bring it over onto the tape, and it just makes it so much easier to do your cut crease. Then I'm going in with my Lorac Mega Pro 4 palette, and I'm taking this really pretty kind of iridescent purple shade on this little brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to go ahead, and I did spray my brush with some setting spray just to wet it a little bit, and then I picked up the product and I just applied it straight to the lid, and this shade is so pretty. I had swatched the shade, but I hadn't actually worn it on my eyes, and oh my god, it is so pretty. So I'm making sure to get that shade from the inner corner to the outer corner, all the way to the outer tail of the cut crease. And then for a little extra shimmer, I did go ahead and take some of that unicorn shade, and I put it on my finger and just applied it to the very middle of the lid. And then I went ahead and took my tape off, and as you can see, one of my eyes was a little messed up, but it's fine. I just put some concealer on and fixed it right up. Then, for my eyeliner, I am doing something different today. I actually went in with a little NYX liquid lipstick. It's just a really dark purple shade, and I actually used that as eyeliner. I tried to film it, but I was just really out of focus the whole time, so I just cut it out. But it was actually really, really easy to do, and I love the look of this. I'm not one for like colored eyeliner, but I really like this dark purple. Then I'm going to go back in with that really dark shade from that NYX palette with just a small brush. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on my lower lash line. I'm just working this in right at the base of my lashes. I'm not trying to go too low with the shade. Then I'm taking this little itty bitty Morphe brush. I'm taking some more of that dark purple shade, and I'm just really, really focusing this color on the outer corner of my bottom lash line. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix that pink and light purple shade together. And I'm just going to blend those two shades onto my lower lash line right below that dark purple. And I find it easier with the lower lash line if you start off with really small brushes and work your way up to the bigger fluffy brushes. It'll just help your eye look really, really blended and very seamless. So lastly, I'm taking the 3 shades that we used, and I am just blending them all together and putting them on the lower lash line. I honestly really wanted my actual lash line to be really dark purple, and then everything else just be really blended and really seamless and all that, so I'm just mixing them all together. Now that we're done with the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and finish off my face. Like I said, I've already done my foundation and concealer. So now I'm going in with this Milani powder foundation. It's a few shades darker than my actual skin tone, so I like to use it for a bronzer or contouring shade. And I am taking this on this little Sonia Kashuk brush, and I'm putting this into the hollows of my cheekbones and then around my forehead and my temples. So I just recently found this Sonia Kashuk brush. It's a domed multi-purpose brush, and I have no idea what I've been doing with my life. I love this brush to bronze up the skin or contour and everything else. Honestly, anything that you have to do with on your face, like any face products, like bronzer, contour, blush, even highlight, this brush applies everything so well. Then for blush, I'm going in with this Lorac blush. It's just a really nice, like, kind of like a plum pinky shade. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to my cheeks. I'm starting at the back of the cheekbones and working my way into the apples of the cheeks. And I just thought that this blush really, really complemented the eye look since this kind of has like a plummy undertone to it. I thought it looked really, really nice. Next, I'm going in with this little NYX highlighter. It's kind of like a purpley shade, and it is so pretty and it is so fun. I'm really liking this like colored highlighting trend that's going on. I really, really think it's pretty. So I'm taking this purple shade and I'm going on the cheekbones, my chin, nose, and cupid's bow a little bit. And then I'm going to go over top with this other NYX highlighter. This is just kind of like a more white shade, but this one has kind of blue undertones in it. And I'm going to go ahead and go over my cheekbone highlights and my chin, my cupid's bow, and nose. And then I'm actually going to add this shade to the forehead as well. And I am taking this on a damp beauty blender. I've recently been loving this way to apply highlighter. It just makes everything just melt into your face and just look like you're just glowing from within. I mean, not like I'm going to be glowing like I'm purple from within, but it meshes very well with your skin, in other words. So I'm going to go back over top with that purple highlighter, and I am just going to put a little bit more on my cheekbones, and then I am actually also taking that and I'm putting it in my inner corners as my inner corner highlight. Then I'm taking that whitish blue shade, and I'm going to go ahead and take that and highlight my brow bone with it. And then last but not least, I'm going in with my lip shade. It's this really, really pretty purpley shade from NYX. It's like a neon purple, but it kind of has like pinky undertones in it. It's really, really, really pretty. And I'm going to go ahead and go over top with this CoverGirl lipstick, and it's just like a really pretty pinky shade, and it's just going to kind of put a little bit more pink into the lips and kind of balance it out with the eye look. Okay, and this is the completed look, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked this makeup look. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or leave me a nice comment. And I guess I'll see everyone in the next video. Thanks, you guys. Bye.